It's Ritzy Cupcake! Hey everyone, it's Ritzy Cupcake here, and today I am unboxing a Glitzy Wonderland order. Just letting you know that I am not sponsored in any way to review any of these products or anything like that. This is just me sharing my personal experience with you. So the main reason why I decided to order something from Glitzy Wonderland is their enticing offer of free shipping. I usually spend like around $50 or so on shipping alone, so free shipping, yeah, I'm there. Apparently they mark up prices compared to other Taobao resellers to include the shipping somehow, but I did a comparison of another Taobao reseller and like looked at the same items on both, and it wasn't that much of a difference. So it worked out a bit cheaper to go with Glitzy Wonderland, so I did that. I actually had a bit of trouble initially with this order. I had ordered a bag and 2 dresses, and then after a couple of days I actually went on the website and it said order cancelled, so I checked my email and it said the dresses that I wanted was no longer available in that size, and also the colorway that I wanted for the bag was sold out. So whether I wanted a refund or replacement, this kind of upset me for a bit because I didn't expect anything like that to happen. I thought it would only happen with like Borando, where all the eager Lolitas jump on the orders and everything sells out quickly. I responded saying that I wanted a refund for the bag and just the next size in the dress, because I think it has shearing, so hopefully it's not tight or anything and it actually fits. So it took them a few days to get back to me, and I was a bit like anxious because my money had been taken out of my account and I was like, oh, I've never ordered from them before, what's gonna happen? I don't know. But they got back to me. My money was refunded via PayPal. They said that the order would be processed and shipped to me in a couple of days, so I was like, awesome. Here it is now. Let's open it to find out how it went. Alright, ooh, okay, lots of packaging. Oh, yeah, okay, they did say that they would give me a free gift. I forgot about that until I opened this and I'm like, oh, what's this? Oh yeah. So I'll start with the free surprises. Oh, actually, yeah, okay. So they gave me a pair of stockings, a pair of tights, and oh, it's really pretty. It's got a cute bow on it and stuff. Doll kit. Should I open this? Yeah, okay, let's open. It's easily resealable, so let's see what it looks like. Might regret this actually. I won't give it. Ooh. Holy moly. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what the? There's like stars, like really bright yellow stars and a moon on this. I did not get that from the front. That's really surprising. It's really cool. It's very popping. Yeah, and then the top part is sheer, so that's fun. Cool, very, very cool. Very cute. I love the bow. The bow is very cute. Yeah, well, this is actually very handy, and you'll soon find out why. Next, they also gave me, okay, so that one, yeah, that's a gift. It says gift. This is another pair of socks that they've given me. It says gift on it. Please give us 5 stars. We'll see. There's these socks. I actually already have this pair of socks. What are the chances? Actually, no. If you've seen my sock video, you will probably know that the chances are high that I could have a pair of socks that they would send me already, because I have a lot of socks. So yeah, I've already got this pair of socks, but at least it's black, so it's versatile, so I can wear it more often than if they had given me, I don't know, purple socks, and then I was like, oh, I've already got these purple socks and I've got 2 purple socks. Having 2 black socks, not a big deal. Oh my god, I love this. It's come in a really cute Sailor Moon bag. Oh, I love it. I love Sailor Moon. Oh, look at Serena. She's so pretty. Okay, so that's exciting. And I think the reason they put it in a Sailor Moon bag is so the dress is actually called Castle in the Moonlight. So it's a moon theme. So here we go. There's the dress. It's got star buttons. It's got some like weird sewing pen marks here which I can hopefully wash out easily, so that should be alright. The brand, I didn't actually know what it was. Apparently it's Dodo. Is that a thing? I don't know. I've never heard about Dodo before, but cool. It's a nice dress, so yeah. Very pretty, very pretty. It's got like these ties on the wrists as well, which look pretty. Might be annoying in practice, but yeah, very cute, very pretty. Now here is a better view. It's such a nice simple piece that I can just wear casually as daily wear in any kind of setting, and very easy to coordinate. And it came with a little bow with a moon, with a crescent moon on it. So yeah, I have these moon tights match with the moon OP. How perfect is that? This dress actually has two versions, so you can get it with short sleeves. I think they come up to like here, or you can get the long sleeves. So I opted for the long sleeve version because I've admired long sleeve one piece dresses for so long. They just look so beautiful and gorgeous and so pretty and comfortable and easy to coordinate, and I was just like, you know what, I'm getting one. So here it is, and I'm so keen to wear it. This one doesn't have any lining underneath, but that's alright. Yay! Oh, I'm very excited. And now that I've got these matching ties, I've actually got star tights as well that I can coordinate it with. It's pretty much easy and good to go. I can just wear that. And here is the dress that led me to make this order in the first place. Ta-da! Oh. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, it feels so lovely. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is a Harry Potter inspired dress. It's called Magic Dictionary by Infanta, which is a Taobao brand. And I got it in blue because I am a proud Ravenclaw. This is the dress. It's so pretty. It's got gorgeous books. It says Infanta on it. It's got wands with magic coming out. Oh my gosh, there is so much going on here. There are magic wands and hats and cats and owls and spell books and scrolls of parchment and Infanta symbols. Beautiful, and it feels gorgeous. So it's got like a velvet underlay lace thing. I don't know what this is called, but it's velvet. The straps, they are adjustable, so you can like make them shorter by like a button. There's shirring on the back. So this is actually the dress that didn't come in the size I wanted it to come in. I had to change the size for it and go one size down. And okay, another good thing, it doesn't have a zip. That's shocking. That is amazing. Oh my god, it does not have a zip. That's brilliant for me because I've recently realized that zips are my enemy in the wardrobe, honestly. With big busts, they just are such a nightmare to go over this part, and it's just, oh, I'm so happy. This should fit. This should be fine. And it came with this bow here, which will go on here somehow. I don't really. It doesn't have a pin on the back or anything. It's got. Okay, it's got two loops here. These two loops. Oh, okay. So if you get this dress and you're like, what the hell? There's two buttons under here. So I assume you pop these buttons on. Let's try that and see what happens. Here we go. I've managed to put them on the buttons. So it'll be like that when you wear it. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. I love it. I love it so much. It's so gorgeous. The fabric is so gorgeous. You know what's awesome? It's like the kind of fabric that you don't need to iron. It's not wrinkled at all. It's perfect. I can just wear it and not have to like worry about ironing. Not that I iron much in the first place, but you know, it's nice to not have to think, oh, I should have ironed that, you know. It doesn't have any pockets or anything, but that's okay. I was not expecting that. That would have been like, oh god, too good. But yeah, oh, and it's got, okay, so it's got lining underneath. Nice navy lining. There we go. Now that I've seen that the other one doesn't have a zip, does this one have a zip? I actually didn't pay attention. Okay, this one doesn't have a zip either. Yay! It's like a double bonus. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's my haul from Glitzy Wonderland. I'd love to know your experience with Taobao resellers, so please comment below and let me know. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. So I was like, you know what? I am getting one. Oh my god, when did that bow fall down?